it's me again. What am I up to? I was just out. Actually, this is the. Should probably tell what I'm doing. This is the probably know by the title anyway. This is the weekly What's New. What's new? Nothing. I've been here for almost a week again. Everybody in my house was sick. I had gastro. I never threw up like that in my entire life. Oh my god. So no, there's nothing new. Just had to finally actually still feeling whatever. So I might get back in here. All the videos you've been seeing are ones that were when I first started my YouTube channel. I had a backlog of videos. They just kind of piled up, so I spread them all out. So probably by the new year you'll see me. You'll probably see a video every day, but it won't be like it might eventually dwindle to a couple of videos a week. What else? What's new? Check the sump pump. It was like first time in a while it's been below freezing, so the basement I was building, working on it all, everything thawed out, so only about this much water in there. So I pumped it all out, turned it on, unplugged it. Tomorrow's supposed to be again plus, so I'm gonna plug it back in, pump some more water out. As long as I keep it low, foundation's already cracked to shit, so nothing to do with that. If anybody wants to start me a GoFundMe to replace the foundation, be my guest, because I'm gonna need one for that thing. It's so big. What else? Got a few videos I'm gonna make tonight, just quick ones. I'll try to make some quick tool videos. I got this kitchen bench is almost done. It's just waiting for sanding, and I might actually weld the bolts on. That's the only other thing I might do. Weld the bolts on. I'll do some sanding and painting, and that's it. Drag it to my house, and you'll never see it again, this channel, except for my house. What else? I got a couple of things to destroy. They're all sitting out there. Been waiting summer, so I'm gonna probably do a few destruction videos just to get shit out of here and fill up my copper bin and keep on going. So I got a lot of things planned. They'll ever get to them, I have no idea. And yeah, I'm bouncing my legs, so the whole like jittering. No, I don't have any weird diseases that make me bounce. But anyway, other than that, not much new. Channel's still alive, still doing stuff. I'm still alive, and keep an eye on what I post in my community thing. Post photos. I don't know. That's it really. Not much. I'm just doing my thing. So if you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and enjoy. Thanks for watching.